This bike uses a blue core engine like the Mio, which produces about 10 PS of power at 6,500 RPM and 9.7 Nm of torque at 5,000 RPM. The scooter also boasts a big halogen headlight with a signature beak that is a similar feature among big adventure bikes. Welcome to Motoscoop. Yamaha continues to strengthen its scooter lineup across major international markets. The Japanese brand recently took the covers off from this bike, which is its new sporty-looking scooter for the market. The new 125 cubic centimeters scooter has been conceptualized as an urban commuter that can occasionally carry out mild trail bashing. Introducing the all-new Yamaha Force X 125. By looks of it, Force X definitely appears as a stylish scooter with many details pointing toward its adventure nature. For instance, it gets a sharp front fascia featuring a headlight mounted on front apron and a small beak-like section underneath it. The broad panels incorporate many cuts and creases which give it a modern appeal. A few styling inspirations resemble a maxi-style scooter, even though Force X is not one. Dual-tone theme thanks to a blacked-out floorboard, side body panels and front and rear fenders provide a necessary dose of sportiness to the scooter. LED turn indicators have been mounted on the handlebar. Other striking highlights include a flat footboard, a stepped-up single-piece saddle, a side-sling exhaust, a single-piece pillion grab rail and arrowhead-shaped rear-view mirrors. In terms of features, it gets basic equipment such as a halogen headlamp, a digital instrument console and blacked-out 10-inch alloy wheels. Some variants will receive alloy wheels dipped in red paint, which further create a colorful contrast for the scooter. This bike weighs just 92 kilos. Powering Force X is a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled blue core hybrid engine that sends power to the rear wheels via CVT gearbox. This unit kicks out 8.19 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM and a peak torque of 9.7 Nm at 5,000 RPM. This powertrain returns a claimed fuel efficiency of 2.2 liters per 100 km, which translates to 45 km per liter. As far as dynamics are concerned, suspension duties are handled by conventional telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at rear. Braking department consists of a disc brake in front and a drum at rear, but there is no ABS on offer even as an option. Force X has been priced at 1.07 Indian rupees lakh, that roughly translates to 75,551 in Philippine peso. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.